For homeowners in Columbia, South Carolina, making energy-efficient upgrades to your home can bring tremendous advantages, both short-term and long-term. One of the most impactful and cost-effective improvements is installing energy-efficient windows. When installed by local Columbia experts who understand the nuances of your home's needs and the climate, these windows offer benefits that go far beyond reducing your energy bill. Here's why upgrading to energy-efficient windows can transform your living experience. Significant energy savings. The most immediately noticeable benefit of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy bills. During the sweltering Columbia summers, cooling costs can skyrocket, especially when old, inefficient windows let conditioned air escape and allow heat to seep in. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to minimize thermal transfer. This means they keep the cool air in during summer and prevent heat from escaping during winter months. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, reducing energy consumption and putting money back in your pocket. Year-round comfort. Living in Columbia means experiencing a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, from intense summer heat to chilly winter nights. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, providing consistent comfort regardless of the weather outside. These windows reduce drafts and minimize cold spots, making your home a more enjoyable place to live. The stable indoor temperature also means you'll rely less on constant thermostat adjustments, further reducing wear and tear on your HVAC system. Enhanced noise reduction. Do you live near a busy street, school, or commercial area? Energy-efficient windows often have multiple panes and are filled with insulating gases, which act as effective sound barriers. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy a quieter, more serene indoor environment, free from the distractions of outside noise. This is especially beneficial if you work from home, have young children, or simply appreciate a peaceful atmosphere. UV protection. Columbia is known for its sunny weather, but the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause significant damage to your home's interior. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, carpeting, artwork, and even flooring. Energy-efficient windows are often equipped with low emissivity, low-E, coatings that block a large portion of harmful UV rays without sacrificing natural light. This means you can enjoy bright, sunlit rooms while protecting your belongings from fading and sun damage. Lower carbon footprint. Reducing energy usage not only saves you money but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows decrease your home's overall energy demand, which in turn lowers greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're making a positive impact on the environment and contributing to a more sustainable future. This eco-friendly choice can be particularly important for Columbia residents who want to do their part in preserving the natural beauty of South Carolina. Increased home value. Investing in energy-efficient windows can also increase the market value of your home. Today's homebuyers are more informed and aware of energy efficiency and sustainability, and they often seek properties that offer these features. By upgrading your windows, you'll not only enjoy immediate benefits but also potentially boost your home's resale value and market appeal. When installed by Columbia experts, these windows enhance both the aesthetic and functional value of your property. Improved security and safety. Modern energy-efficient windows often feature stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms, providing enhanced security for your home. Tougher glass, such as laminated or tempered glass, is more difficult to break, which can deter intruders and increase the overall safety of your home. Local Columbia window installers ensure that your new windows fit securely and operate smoothly, maximizing both safety and peace of mind. Professional installation matters. The benefits of energy-efficient windows can only be fully realized with proper installation. Columbia-based window experts bring a deep understanding of local climate challenges and building codes, ensuring your windows perform optimally. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced energy efficiency. Trusting local professionals means your windows are correctly fitted, well sealed, and capable of delivering maximum performance. Conclusion: energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Columbia homeowners seeking comfort, savings, and a more sustainable lifestyle. By reducing energy consumption, enhancing indoor comfort, blocking harmful UV rays, and boosting security, these windows offer a wide range of benefits. When installed by knowledgeable local experts, you can rest assured that your windows will perform flawlessly, delivering value for years to come. Make the switch to energy-efficient windows today and experience the transformative impact on your home's comfort and efficiency.